Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Funmibi here again with another stunning tutorial. In today's video, we're going to be making this stunning headgear that I have on right here. You guys should rate my outfit from A to Z, guys. I look absolutely beautiful, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing all the tea on how you can make something like this for yourselves, for that beautiful occasion that you have coming up, or for someone, for your clients, right? You can add this to your design collection and start making it for people. Okay, my channel is the plug. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing how I achieved this stunning headband that I have on right here, all the materials you need, the mistakes I made on, and how you can also avoid these mistakes and all of that stuff. So if that sounds like something you want to know about, please make sure you watch this video to the end. Subscribe to my channel. Okay, hit that subscribe button right now if you're yet to be subscribed to my channel. Also give me a big fat thumbs up. Hit that thumbs up button right now. Okay, and yeah guys, let's just engage on this post. All right guys, let's get straight into today's video. Let's go. Okay friends, so for this particular headband you need your ASOOKE, you need your scissors, you also need your plastic headband and a glue gun. For the purpose of this video, you're using this big size of plastic headband. Okay, this is the appropriate type of plastic headband that you want to use for this particular design. So what I have here are 3 strips of ASOOKE fabrics that I've already separated. They are 2 inches by 25 inches. Okay, that's the measurement, and all I'm going to do now is fold them together into 2, just the way I'm illustrating in this video, and then sew it on 1/4 of an inch. That's what you want to go straight to do, and this is what your ASOOKE should look like once you've sewn it. The next thing you want to do now is to wrap your headband with these 3 strips of ASOOKE. I already have a tutorial, a more detailed tutorial on how you can wrap your headband using this method. I'm going to link that video somewhere on the screen, just in case you've not seen that video. That will help you basically get the hang of this whole process. For this particular tutorial, I didn't waste too much time showing you how I went about, wrapping my headband, because I just feel like that video is there. So if you want to get the full gist, okay, refer to that video. For this particular tutorial, I'm moving through things really quickly. All I'm doing here is just using my glue gun, apply a bit of glue, wrap my headband, and I'm going to repeat that process all the way through till I get to the end of this particular headband. This is how far I have gone. Now I'm just going to move quickly to the end and then show you guys the finished result. And this is what the finished result should look like if you went about wrapping your headband the appropriate way. Everything should look neat and smooth and sweet, just like what you can see on your screen. All right guys, so the next thing we want to move on straight to right about now is the design. Okay, that beautiful design that you guys saw on top of my headband at the beginning of the video. What I have here are 4 pieces of ASOOKE fabric that are 25 inches long by the regular aware measurements of my ASOOKE, which is typically between 6 inches and 7 inches. It all depends on where you got your ASOOKE from. But what I have here is 25 inches by 6 inches in 4 places. And what I went about doing is I folded them into 2, similar to what I did with the small piece of ASOOKE that I did earlier on. Folded it into 2 and sewed it on 1/2 of an inch. And the next thing I did was to apply stones, because you guys know that I love blings. Okay, people that have been subscribed to my channel for a long time know that I love to bling up my ASOOKE. So what I'm doing now is just making running stitches on my folded piece of ASOOKE. That's literally all I'm doing here. And then once I'm done doing those running stitches, I'm going to fold my fabric in a way that it gives that kind of ruched pleated effect that you guys saw at the beginning of the video. It might be difficult for me to explain the whole thing to you guys in this video, but please watch everything and just replicate everything I'm doing as shown in this video on your own work table, on your own project. Okay, it could be for yourself, for your clients, I don't know what it is for, but yeah, when making your own, replicate everything I'm doing in this video and be sure that you will get the exact same result as what I got with my own ASOOKE. And yeah guys, that's all I'm doing here, just doing my running stitches. And once I was done doing the running stitches, I went about folding. And the folding is just you fold the one end of your fabric, let them face each other, and then start to back it like you're trying to pleat the fabric. I don't know how to explain it guys, I really don't know how to do it, but just watch the way I'm sewing my fabric to just replicate it on your own. And the reason why you're seeing that small piece of fabric is because I'm doing a lot of hand sewing, and passing my needle through ASOOKE, it was getting kind of chunky and it was hurting my fingers. So I would advise that you have a small piece of cloth close by or something to just protect your hands when doing your hand stitches. Handmade pieces are usually like this, okay? The moment something is handmade, be sure that it requires a lot of work, and a lot of love is usually put into stuff like this. So when you think about the amount of energy and all of that you put into the work, that's why sometimes it seems as if handmade items, I don't know, I can't pronounce handmade items are sometimes very expensive because a lot of work has been put into creating them. So yeah, decide for yourself how much you want to charge your clients when making this piece of item for them. That's left to you to just weigh what's your energy worth to you, right? So yeah, that I'm just explaining. I know I talk too much but yeah, I'm just explaining why I had that piece of cloth with me. It was to help my fingers because it was beginning to hurt me. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to replicate this exact same process in 4 places. Feel free to make your own, less or more than mine. I feel like I would have preferred if I did up to 6 ruched pieces of fabric like this and placed on my headband. It would have given it a fuller look and just more beautiful because go big or go home, right? So yeah, feel free to do less or more depending on you. But yeah, for me, I used 4 pieces of items that I worked on like this. So I did my gathers or my running stitches and then basically pleated it to form this finished look. And this is what I have here. This is just 2 pieces. I'm going to go ahead to do 2 more and then I'll have a total of 4. And these are the 4 pieces that I'm showing you guys right here. So once this was done, it was time for me to attach it onto my plastic headband. And yeah guys, because I have just one camera, okay, just one camera that I used to film for you guys, so I couldn't really do much with. I wish I had 2 cameras such that I could put one behind me to show you how I'm filming or what I'm doing basically, because I couldn't, there's no way I could have twisted my hand. So all I'm doing here is just sewing what I ruched or pleated, whatever you choose to call it, onto my plastic headband. And I wish I could have given you guys a closer look, but it's just one camera that I'm working with. And yeah guys, I couldn't do much with it, but just have it at the back of your mind that I was sewing just these pieces on top of my plastic headband. All it entails is passing my needle and thread through the fabric directly on my plastic headband, as well as this ruched piece of fabric. I'm just sewing them such that they become one single piece. I get this question a lot where people ask, am I passing my needle through my headband? That is impossible, guys. I can't pass my needle through my headband. I just pass my needle such that it goes through the fabric that I have on my headband. So that's why when you are watching a video, it looks as though my needle is going through my headband, but that's impossible, guys. My needle is going through the fabric on top and the fabric directly on my headband. And that's all I'm doing here. I moved through this process really quickly because it took me about 45 minutes to sew these pieces of fabric onto my headband. It was such a painstaking process. That's why I keep telling you guys that depending on what your energy is worth to you, it's now determines how much you're going to charge your clients if you're going to make this exact same design for them. But it turned out looking absolutely beautiful, and the fact that I did a bit of stoning on my ASOOKE just gave it a very shiny bling bling kind of look. It was absolutely gorgeous, guys. At the end of the day, after I finished making it, I forgot the amount of stress that went into this process. I mean, look at this beautiful piece of headgear. It's so freaking beautiful. I also went ahead to use these cloth stones on top because I just felt like giving it a more bling and extra kind of look. It was Thanksgiving Sunday in my church and I just wanted something really cute to thank God and celebrate God and all of that. And this piece right here, guys, I'm speechless. It's so freaking beautiful. I went ahead to just rock it on myself because you guys know that on this channel I like to rock whatever I make, okay, to make you guys eager to recreate and just create your own pieces using my tutorials. And this is what I have here, guys. I was on my way to church here and I was so excited. The clip of my full outfit was me after church, and then the clip with just my upper body is me on my way to church. I mean, my makeup was on flick, my hair was on flick, my headband was on flick, everything was on flick. So yeah guys, this is the end of the video. If you enjoyed watching, please do well to give me a big fat thumbs up. I'm on my way to 5k subscribers and I'm so eager to hit that milestone on here. So please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with someone that you think would love this kind of content. And yeah guys, I can't wait to see you in my next tutorial. Love you guys so much. Bye. Mwah.